Welcome to Harleysville. Enjoy the numerous golf courses, parks and trails, Spring Mountain Adventures, Energy Station, and more. Presenting 2300 Briar Ridge Lane. Just imagine the possibilities with over 2 acres. Driveway leads into your 3-car garage. Notice the recent renovation as you enter inside. First floor home office, the sizable kitchen with Thermador cooktop and double oven, and sub-zero fridge. Thoughtful storage features, dining area consumed with natural light, opening to your living room, accented with a gas fireplace. Host dinners in your dining room, opening up to a deck. The oversized deck with multiple entertaining spaces. The generous lower level offers space for customization you desire. Escape outside to your 6-person hot tub. This home just has so much more to see in person. Contact me to schedule a showing.